Have you ever wondered where the terrifying Harpies originated? In Greek mythology, they weren't always the winged monsters we know today. The story begins with two divine sisters, Iolo and Ocypete, daughters of the sea god Thomas and the cloud nymph Electra. Initially, they served as beautiful messengers of the gods, delivering both blessings and warnings. However, fate took a dark turn. Their mother, Electra, was so distraught over the loss of her lover that she abandoned her daughters to the winds. This betrayal twisted their very essence. Left alone, Iolo and Ocypete transformed into vengeful spirits. They became the Harpies, half women, half birds, known for snatching away people and stealing precious items, leaving nothing but a foul stench behind. These avenging spirits were feared across the realm. Their wrath was particularly felt by King Phineas, who, as punishment for his hubris, was tormented by the Harpies, who stole his food just as he was about to eat. Thus, the ancient world saw them not just as monsters, but also as symbols of retribution and despair, forever haunting those who wronged the divine.